And the up is state-of-the-art, running at the center, 30-30, moving a party outside. Sir Ferdinand running by the rail, third, followed by Perfectionist, Mr. Classmate, second last, and Blue Seal is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the 900 meters post, parting it out for the lead, 30-30 on the outside. Is state-of-the-art running by the rail, then we're about 6 lengths back in third. Sir Ferdinand running alongside Perfectionist, Blue Seal, and Mr. Classmate. Rounding at the last 600, 30-30 now takes up the running by half a length. Is state-of-the-art is running by the rail second. Racing in third, Sir Ferdinand, Perfectionist, Blue Seal, and Mr. Classmate as they turn for home. 30-30 still leading the field is state-of-the-art in second. Sir Ferdinand remains in third. And down the stretch they come. It out for the lead. 30-30 state-of-the-art by the rail. Sir Ferdinand is on the outside. Is state-of-the-art 30-30. Sir Ferdinand on the outside. And leading the finish line is state-of-the-art. Makes it over 30-30. Then comes Sir Ferdinand, Blue Seal, Perfectionist, and Mr. Classmate.